Hey, welcome back to your channel. Hope y'all having a good day or a good night. Wherever y'all tuning in, I just hope y'all doing well. And today, if you watched my last video, you probably know, or you might not notice about these right here, these 6 lug nuts. And actually, these right here are not lug nut, these are lug nut covers. And today I'm gonna be pretty much just going over what they do and how you put them on and stuff like that right there. So let's get into the video. So the first thing first, I'm gonna try to take one arm off. This right comes with them, like a little, what you call, you just want to get in there, pull, and just like that right there. Cause these actually on there pretty good. You might be able to get them off without this, but it's definitely a whole lot easier. So that's how my lug nut looks. Yours might be different. Like I said, this right here is the work truck. So I'm pretty sure all of this is the work truck trim. I'm pretty sure the ones that, like the LT models and stuff like that, they probably have different lug nuts, because mine had like a hubcap on the stock rims that these right here screw into. So they basically screw into that right there. But like I said, these right here are covers, and when I got these rims, I was looking for some lug nuts that match, like some black lug nuts. But either you go to the dealership and basically they ain't near $300 for a set to go on all 4, or you go on Amazon for like 40 bucks. But the problem with Amazon, they'll fit, but they're not as, I guess you say, beefy around the edges. They're a little bit more skinnier than the ones factory. But like I said, you could make them work, but they also have a problem with rust. A lot of people in the reviews say they rust very quickly, and I don't see the purpose of having new rims, and over time, you know, your lug nut's gonna be rusty. So I had the idea that instead of me just spending money on lug nuts, I got these covers to go over them, and I'm gonna show you how to install them. Okay, so 2 ways you can go by installing these. Cause like I said, when you first do these, if you don't have any type of something that gonna like lube this up, make it slick or anything like that, then you probably not gonna be able to fit it on all the way. But 2 ways you definitely can do it. You can either get like some Dawn soap, put around the edges in there, and you can slip them on like that. It'll still be kind of hard to do it, but you definitely can make it work. But the way that it's most efficient is to get some like grease. I got this right from a grease gun out there in my dad's shop. And basically what I do, I just get a little bit on my finger, like that right there, get a little bit on there. I just move it around the edges all the way around through. And like I said, I don't put too much on there. And that way it kind of fits like it's supposed to. And like I said, you just really have to take the time and just try to see, slide in. I might not be able to get it. Okay, so we finally got on there. So what I do, see, without the soap, it will look something like that. Like you're not gonna be able to get over thread. Yours might be different than mine, but mine got the threads on the side. So what I like to do, kind of just press it. Just keep pressing it. Like that right there. You just wanted to keep on pressing until it's all the way in it like that. And like I said, it's right here is it's a cheaper way, but like I said, them right there definitely not going anywhere. As you see, it took a little bit for it to actually snap on in there like it's supposed to, but I feel like it's, better than just having the regular ones. And you definitely could rock the regular one, but I just like the black on black, so yeah. But yeah, you found the video helpful, like, subscribe. I do a lot of videos, about my truck and, trucking videos, riding 4-wheelers, a lot of outdoor stuff. So you into that type of stuff, love to have y'all on board. Subscribe to the channel, and hoping to see y'all in the next one.